So I'm making this video specifically for my Blackstar people, right? So if you are somebody who uses Blackstar in order to invest in the stock market, then this video is for you. Or if you are coming to invest and maybe I see Wolf is giving you troubles, then you want to use Blackstar to invest, then you can actually follow this step-by-step process to buy any stock in the Ghana Stock Exchange market or the US Stock Exchange market. Within some few minutes, you should be able to buy any stock of your choice. So the first thing you have to do is for you to take your phone, and when you take your phone, you simply go to either your Play Store or your Apple App Store and search for Blackstar. So when you go to Google Play Store or Apple App Store, just search for Blackstar. So when it comes, not the Blackstar, not the football club. So when it comes, you actually see Blackstar a better way. Just click on it. When it comes, you download, and when you download, you open. So when you open as a new beginner, when you open, you have to actually go through all the processes in order to actually verify. And bear in mind that through the KYC process, that is know your customer process, you have to need that of a Ghana card, your personal address, that is your digital address, and the rest. And also bank accounts is actually required. If you don't have any bank accounts, you have to create a bank account before you proceed in creating an account with Blackstar. It doesn't really mean that it's only bank accounts you use in order to top up any amount of money when it comes to the Blackstar. You can actually add more money accounts subsequently when you are done. But for the registration process, you actually need a bank account. So let's assume that you are done with the creation of the account. So when you are done with the creation of the account, first thing first is for you to deposit an amount of 100 Ghana cedis. So if you want to access the app like this, you have to, if you want to access the app like this, you need to have deposit some 100 Ghana cedis before you can actually access the app. So when it comes, when you deposit 100 Ghana cedis, and the 100 Ghana cedis, you can deposit it in different means, either more money, the bank account you've added, or any other means. So when it comes like this, you see the interface, market, account, invest, wallet, and profile, right? So as a new beginner, if you want to invest in the market, just click on invest. So that is the middle button. So when it comes, you see fixed income, you see stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and the rest. So, but because our focus is on how to buy stocks, you click on stocks, right? So when it comes, you see numerous stocks or number of stocks. But for the sake of this particular video, we are investing in the Ghana Stock Exchange market. So you have to change it from that of the global to that of Ghana. So at the top right corner, you see global, change it to that of Ghana. And when it comes, you see the Ghanaian stocks listed in that of the Blackstar, right? So you see Ghanaian stock listed in that of the Blackstar. But let's say that, okay, you already have this particular app, then you've seen this, but you don't really have enough amount of money to actually buy any stock. So what you have to do is for you to go to wallet. So if you go to wallet, you see add cash, FX, and withdraw. For the sake of this video, I've already deposited the 100 cedis that is required, but I'll have to add some cash for us to actually top it up. That is by showing you how to deposit. So you just click on add cash. So when it comes, you see portfolio, select portfolio. So for me, I'm growing my world, so I'll just select Wolf as my portfolio. You can actually select any of the portfolios above. So when it comes, let's say we are depositing 100 Ghana cedis. So when it comes, just click on continue. When you click on continue, they'll give you an options for you to select. Either you are using bank, you are using your mobile money. So like I said at the beginning, you don't really need mobile money. You need a bank account to create the app. But once you are done, you can actually add your mobile money number. So let's click on proceed. And when it comes, they give us an issue in order for us to approve the transaction. So once I approve the transaction, one thing I like about Blackstar is that their app is very fast when it comes to transactions. So amount deposited, it has been deposited successfully, right? So let's get back to the app and actually buy this particular stock that we want to buy or want to purchase. So if you actually look at it, if you refresh, instead of the 100, it will now come 200 Ghana cedis. So like I said, let's go back to invest. So when you go to invest, just click on that of invest, and let's say we are buying that of which stock should we even buy. So like I always say, if you want to buy any stock, don't follow the market trend or don't follow some influencers videos. actually do your market research. So if you do your market research, then you tend to know that this particular company that I'm investing in, it's aligned with that of my goal, then you can proceed and invest in that of the market, right? So let's say we are buying that of Society General's stock. So currently, if you look at Society General, it's trading at 11 cedis 51 pesos. So if you look at the interface, you see all the necessary things that you actually want. So if you click on buy, you proceed to buy. If you click on sell, that is, if you already have a holding, you just click on sell to sell, and you'll be able to withdraw the money back again. But here we are buying, so let's click on buy. So when you click on buy, it comes. So input the amount of money you want to buy, right? So you select the portfolio and you input the amount of money you want to buy. So let's say 200 Ghana cedis like we have currently in the account. So just click on proceed. You see conversion rate, estimated shares. So the estimated shares is 18.11, and also you see transaction fee, which is 4.99, and also market price 10 cedis 76 pesos. So just place an order, proceed to place an order, then you confirm the order. As simple as ABCD, they give you head-ups and you understand, then it goes through the queue, or your order is successfully in a queue. So it will come pending. So when it comes pending, within some few days or maybe some few hours, that is if the market is open and there's a seller and also you are a buyer, they will easily merge it, and as a matter of fact, you become a shareholder by the end of the day, or maybe by the end of the week, or by the end of the month. It usually takes some period of time before the order is executed, right? This is just a simple step-by-step process in order for you to buy any stock in the Ghana Stock Exchange market using the Blackstar app. As usual, my name is Sam Dawe. Let's meet at the top.